Hello all, FantaBH here again. This is old Logitech 2.1 speakers, PC speakers. We will not need these in this video. This is main subwoofer from those speakers, and I wanna teach you how you can turn any PC speakers to the Bluetooth speakers. If you are interested in video of such content, please subscribe to my channel, like, and stay with me. So this is main unit. I already upgraded it to Bluetooth, but you need to unscrew on this particular unit. You need to unscrew screws from behind and then to pull this out, which is not so easy because all electronic is here inside. As you can see, it's not easy, and carefully pull it out as much you can, but you can't go too far out. So as you can see here, there is Bluetooth module. I connected in. Behind there is LED, and this switch is used to switch on off Bluetooth if you need it. You don't need to use such switch at all. What you should know, I'm using here inside, yep, I glued it. There is a 5-volt adapter here which powering on this this Bluetooth module. It's because ground loop problem. When you have separated power supply between Bluetooth module and amplifier, you will not heard any noise when nothing playing. But actually, when it happens that you try to power on Bluetooth module and amplifier from same source, most likely you will get into ground loop problem, and of course instead of adapter 5 volts, you can use you can build module like this one by yourself. It is very simple. It contain 7805 voltage stabilizer, 1 electrode filter capacitors, and a voltage splitter for 5 volts. So obvious we need this 7805 stabilizer to stabilize voltage into 5 volts, whatever input it is. So because this little element device does not tolerate any voltage higher than 5.5 volts, and at output it will always give 5 volts with ground, independent ground from ground on this side. So it is totally splitted voltage from input, does not have any physical contact, and it is even this device is very low power. It can handle up to 1 watt of power. So according to that, if you use Ohm law, it is not recommended to place higher voltage than 30 volts on input, because it gives 5 volt 1 watt on output, that is 0.2 amperes on output, so you can count if 5 volts go out and device use 0.2 amperes of current, then it means on this device it is left 25 volts multiplied with 0.2 amperes or 200 milliamps to be dissipated as heat on it. So without additional heat sink on this element, don't let too high voltage on input. That is all what I have to say, and you can see schematic of this little module on the screen. It's very cheap. It does not cost more than $2 on AliExpress to buy every element, so I recommend wherever you need something like this, use it. Build it and use it. It is very convenient and working very well. This video is mainly focused about how to connect your Bluetooth model audio input, where to find, where is the place where you can connect wires on Bluetooth. So I will turn everything back so I can show you these 3 wires. As you can see, I can focus a bit. These 3 wires are my audio, and ground going from ground, as you can see. Input. Input, the best way to connect is to open your these where is volume control, and to use volume control potentiometer to connect your Bluetooth module. However, that means you could place Bluetooth module even in this case, is this in this speaker, but I decided to go in main and to connect it direct to motherboard. In this particular case, it was easy. You just needed to read what is integrated circuit. Here, this is preamplifier here, and I found where is I found datasheet from it and follow the datasheet to find where are input capacitors. When I found input capacitors, I connected there. Here we have 2 input capacitors, and I took signal from that 2 capacitors here. These 2 green capacitors are actually input capacitors, and I took, as you can see, here is 1 pin, here is 2nd pin. So if you wanna build something like this, I had no use of these speakers anymore, so I decided to take them to my weekend house to play music on them, and the best way was to build in Bluetooth module and to connect it to this board. I will show you how it sounds. Maybe I will manage to do it. That's connected. This needs power. Let's unfocus a bit now because you don't need. This is advertisement. Okay, everything is somehow turned back, so sound is not the best, but you get clue how it's working. I will not play it anymore. I don't believe this is royalty free music. However, they say here it's free, but most likely I will get flagged for this. It working. This switch disable Bluetooth feature, and still you can use these to connect to another audio source to play it. It will work like it was working before. You just add another feature to this speaker, so they work now as Bluetooth speakers. Thank you for watching, and see you with next video.